What is atmospheric pressure? What is atmospheric pressure, and why does it affect everything from the weather to the way we breathe? Even though we can't see it, atmospheric pressure is one of the most powerful forces shaping life on Earth. Atmospheric pressure is the force exerted by the weight of the air above us. Earth is surrounded by a thick layer of gases called the atmosphere, made mostly of nitrogen and oxygen. These gases have mass, and gravity pulls them toward the planet's surface. As a result, air molecules constantly press down on everything below them: your body, the oceans, buildings, and even the ground itself. At sea level, atmospheric pressure is highest because there is more air stacked above you. As you move higher in altitude, such as climbing a mountain or flying in an airplane, there is less air above you, so the pressure decreases. This is why it becomes harder to breathe at high altitudes. The air pressure is lower, meaning there are fewer oxygen molecules in each breath. Atmospheric pressure is measured using a device called a barometer. Standard atmospheric pressure at sea level is about 101,325 pascals, or 14.7 pounds per square inch. While that number sounds huge, we don't feel crushed by it because the pressure inside our bodies balances the pressure outside. Our bodies have adapted perfectly to live under this invisible force. Changes in atmospheric pressure play a major role in weather. High-pressure systems are usually associated with clear skies and calm conditions because sinking air prevents clouds from forming. Low-pressure systems, on the other hand, cause air to rise, cool, and condense, often leading to clouds, wind, and storms. This is why weather forecasts pay close attention to pressure changes. Atmospheric pressure also explains everyday phenomena. When you drink through a straw, you're not actually pulling the liquid up. Instead, you reduce the pressure inside your mouth, and the higher atmospheric pressure outside pushes the liquid upward. Suction cups, vacuum sealing, and even breathing itself all rely on differences in air pressure. In short, atmospheric pressure is the constant push of air caused by gravity. It shapes our climate, influences our health, and quietly controls countless processes we experience every day. Even though we rarely notice it, atmospheric pressure is always there, holding our world together, one invisible push at a time.